I am a candidate. Wherever I go, I make it a point to listen to the people. Yung mga tao na sa isang lugar, may forum na gano'n, may students forum, minsan hindi lang, multisectoral, and they voice their concerns. Initially, alam na namin yung mga issues once we get to a certain place. But then there are sometimes meron pa rin na lumalabas, and these are not only great but revolutionary ideas. And to allow them to use me as their tool, if ever, at the Senate.